Hey there, midterm students. It's me, Lori. And hey, I want to congratulate all of you for making it through the first week of the semester. We're now into the second week of the semester. You survived the orientation module. The reason I'm here is that I want to tell you to start really getting going on Module 1. I can't tell you how important this is. Even though you have a little extra time when you look at your schedule to get it done, Module 1 is intense, and I'm not going to lie to you about it. It's got a lot of material in it, and it's not meant to scare you. It's totally doable. It's just that you're going to get all the prefixes, the suffixes, the word building rules that we're going to use the whole semester. So what you're doing right now is you're going to learn this in advance. It's called front loading. So you get a bunch of stuff at the beginning, but you're going to use it, the same concepts over and over for the rest of the semester. And that's going to make it easier, okay? So I promise you, if you put in the extra time and effort now and get started right away, it's going to pay off immensely, okay? The other thing I want to remind you of is that if you get a good jump start now and you get the homework and the study guides filled out, you have extra time because you have 2 attempts on each exam. So what's great is that if you get ahead of the game and you have the homework done, you study a little bit, you can go in and take the exam. And then if you don't do as well as you hope, you can go back and you can take it again. Okay, so those are 2 really important things. Just give yourself enough time and then you can take it again and be more successful if you want. But if you wait until the last minute, it's not going to work out quite as well. Okay. I want to encourage you, if you want, to come to your office hours. I've had a couple of you come. I've been able to show you some different things that might help you be more successful. I think has been helpful, hopefully. So my office hours are Tuesdays from 12:05 to 1. Thursdays from 12:05 to 4, but I want to let you know sometimes I might have to modify that based on different appointments and different meetings that I have, and I'll let you know in advance. But feel free to drop in if you need some tips, if you need to talk about anything. Otherwise, for now, keep going full speed ahead. Let's get going on Module 1. Go learn it. Whoop, whoop. Get it done so that you can have smooth sailing for the rest of the semester. Okay, take care. Welcome to the class. Hang in there. You're doing a great job. All right. Bye for now.